Hello guys, we have our another friend Mr. Dhananjay from Uttar Pradesh. So let's make our conversation start. Mr. Dhananjay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So Mr. Dhananjay, first question for you. Do you like dance?
Yeah, I like dance. Sometimes I used to dance in my home, but I embarrass so much with my family. Like I cannot dance in front of my family, so I just playing hide and seek in my family, in my parents, and just doing dance in the closed doors behind the door.
You
So
do
it's a
dance behind the door in your bedroom
yeah, yeah, of course.
because you
Sometimes,
are
not all the time.
you feel shy to dance in front of people.
Yeah, yeah, I feel shy.
Oh God. So which time songs do you like?
I like some kind of romantic song. Like I was just dancing a kind of song like Tiger Shroff, बेफिक्र अभी होना जरूरी था. So there was
Okay.
a song in which I like the Tiger Shroff dance so much. So I was just recapitulating his dance.
Okay, so you also like hip hop dance or Western dance?
No, no, no. I don't. I'm not fond of so much dancing, but yeah, sometimes I use dance.
Okay, there's who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Akshay Kumar because apart from acting, yeah, he is a very inspiring for me, and I learn a lot of things from him.
Okay, that's good. So you are Bollywood lovers, and also Akshay Kumar you liked.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
Dhananjay, I have another question for you. Do
yeah,
you share your things with others without any problem?
yeah. That's very good question. Yeah, I share a lot. Sometimes I don't feel like doing something, then I call to my friends
Okay,
and talk for half an hour and 1 hour. Sometimes one day I talked to my friend, one of my friends, 2 hours. So it
okay,
was a very interesting moment, and sometimes I feel like talking so much to my friends, and that time I have one or two friends which I'm very close. So
okay,
that time I enjoy talking to them.
okay. Actually, I am sorry for that because my side from its train is passing because I live in very near from railway station. If you felt any
Oh,
noisy, so sorry for that. Okay, so
no, it's no problem.
okay, okay. And do you have any best friends? You what?
Yeah, I have one best friend,
So
and
you
for that,
talk every day
yeah.
with your friends.
No. In spite of I have one best friend, but I don't talk every day. I
Okay,
talk in, one day in a week.
okay.
So yeah,
So
just it's enough for me.
just suppose your
Sometimes
best friend, your bestie will hurt you. Then what you will do?
uh, sometimes I don't speak to my friends, but still gradually we have some kind of uh, bad situation, and then the bad situation make us close to each other. We help to each other, and that helps to make us together each other, make us close together.
Okay. So you live in town, city, or village? Which type of area you lived?
Yeah, I live in village.
Village. So you have also farming.
Yeah. I have a farming land, but personally, I don't farm. I have some kind of labor,
Hmm.
and they're farming my land.
Okay. Uh, that's good. So which kind of place you mostly like village, city? Do you have any dream to go big cities or another country in future if you got chance?
Yeah. So there's two things. First, I'll talk about long term kind of like if I have to live somewhere for my lifetime, so I choose I will choose the village, because village is a kind of a very fresh environment. You have a kind of a lot of trees. You have some kind of forest,
Okay.
and there are many. You can say people are very engaging in the nature. They are used to. They know the importance of trees. They know the importance of plants all the time. They used to plant the trees,
Yeah.
and it was such a very good environment, and everybody is willing to help to each other. In a village, there's a such a community which are living as a family. So these are the things which are motivating me to live in the village. But talking about short term, because I'm living in the village from my childhood, and I've never been to anywhere in the foreign, or I've never been anywhere into outside of my states.
Okay.
So I I would like to go for traveling, because I like traveling most. I went to one day in Allahabad and Lucknow. So in Lucknow, I've been to very many places for traveling, and I've been to visit the zoo, the Chiriyaghar. So I enjoyed a lot.
Okay. So did you like that time the place, the Lucknow?
Yeah, of course. Because there are so many places. Lucknow is a kind of capital. It is a capital of our states,
Okay.
and there are so many things which amused you, which can amuse you.
Yeah. That's good. And what's the things you always want to do to go first time uh, you go in city? So what kind of things you want to do?
Sorry.
What kind of things you want to do when you go new city? What kind of things you want to watch, want to see?
I want to watch many things, like for which thing the country is famous, the state is famous. I want to visit all the
Have you
things.
maybe you also watch YouTube videos to attract people or who are traveler, who are tourists? They can go
Yeah,
in
yeah. If
city.
I if I find a time to make such kind of video, then I'll absolutely make such kind of video and amuse to the people.
Okay, so
I'll make the video. I'll upload the video on YouTube.
do you have YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have, but I don't make any kind of video this
Okay,
time.
so do you have any plans in future to make videos, any kind of videos?
Yeah, maybe I'm thinking to make videos after some weeks, because I some after some week I'll find myself a kind of free time.
Okay. So then it's very common question, and mostly people they ask, so how long have you been learning this language in English?
Yeah, I'm learning this language since 9th class, as I told you in my prior videos.
Hmm.
Yeah, in that time
Okay.
I was so nervous as I can't learn English.
So
But
nowadays you
gradually,
feel
gradually,
comfortable with this language?
I don't feel so much comfortable, but yeah, my tension of fearing of learning English is decreased.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to improve so that we are talking now. Okay,
Yeah.
again this train making noise. Okay. So which type of things when you do you never feel bored? You always want to do that things.
Yeah,
Have
yeah,
to do again, and you are such a interesting the things for you.
yeah. So I want to do all kind of things which amuse me, which is interested to me. Like I'm I'm fond of reading English. So sometimes if I have free time,
Hmm?
then I just go and just I keep reading and reading English a
Okay.
lot,
You like
like
reading
half
books?
an hour, 1 hour.
Hmm.
Yeah, sorry.
You like reading books?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I like reading book a lot.
Okay.
If I have time, then I just only read English.
Okay, that's good. Do you have any friends we can communicate with them in real life for improving your English?
Uh, in real life, I think nobody.
Hmm.
I have I have friends with whom I'm learning English in
Hmm.
social media, like you, like
Okay.
many more.
Hmm.
But in real life, there is nobody with which I can speak English, and I meet those persons in my real life. I didn't meet any kind of person with whom I learned to speak English. Just only me. I'm just only meeting on the social media like you.
Okay. So, what do you want to suggest who are very beginner who also want to learn English? Main things I also heard, and also my friend said I want to speak English, and maybe it's the first important thing we have to learn first vocabulary, because without know the meaning we can't make sentence. So
Yeah.
do you want to say something about this, the importance of vocabularies for them, how can they improve?
So talking about vocabulary, so if you start learning English, if you start speaking English, and if you go the site like Hello, Tapri, and many more site which is very famous for speaking English, learning English,
Okay.
then there are many people, and they are speaking English language in a very simple manner, normal manner,
Hmm.
and know and focus what is a kind of words they are using,
Okay.
they are practicing in their English, and just learn those vocabulary. That's enough for your you can say starting days of your learning English.
Okay.
And sooner or later you get to know that what are the basic vocabulary that is compulsory for learning English, and just learn those vocabulary, and you will be very ill at ease to speak. So it is enough for speaking, but if you want to improve more and more
Hmm.
for speaking such a, you can say, influensive way, such a effective way,
Yeah.
then you need to uh, keep more vocabulary, and for that just read a lot
Hmm.
the English books, and whatever you find the meanings which you don't know, just find it out on the Google Translate or internet,
Hmm.
and don't learn it single vocabulary, just make it just find out the meaning with whole sentence which is given in the book.
Yeah.
So if you just only learn the vocabulary, then you don't learn, then you will not be able to learn, because once one day you will learn, and second day you'll forget.
Yeah.
So there's no any kind of means of learning.
So my last
Learning
question for you,
vocabulary
Mr.
section.
Dhananjay. My last question
Yeah.
I want to ask you. Now your English is so good then. So nowadays you are able to understand the native speaker when he speak in television, in videos.
No. I partially understand the native speakers, because for understanding fully the native speaker, you'll have to know the accent, the native speaker's accent. So when I listen to those persons, I partially try to understand, and I get success to understand to some extent.
Okay.
But I cannot study, but I cannot understand the whole language, whatever they are speaking.
Yeah, same here. I also have several, but we have to improve more our listening skills. Then we have to listen their conversation. Then maybe we can understand. I'm sure.
Yeah,
Wow, what a beautiful place in your background.
yeah. I think it is going to happen the rain. So there is just the prior condition
I can hear
before
some
having
kids
the
are
rain.
playing there.
Sorry.
Some kids are playing there. I can hear their sound. The kids. Maybe they are your
Yeah.
kids. Uh,
It is here.
wow.
Those house
Th-
from
That's
those.
that's your village.
House. Yeah. That's my village.
Wow, beautiful,
This is
beautiful
my
village. Nice. I also want to go there.
My village is not so beautiful.
Yeah, but it's look beautiful. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
so one day I will go there. Okay. Okay, Dhananjay.
Yeah, please come.
It was nice conversation. We will talk later in next video. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah.
take
Thank you.
care and good happy. Stay home.
Thank you
Stay
for
safe.
such a good
Uh,
conversation.
yeah. And you want to say anything to me?
I want to say that the third wave, the Delta variant, is going to come,
Hmm.
and please stay safe. All the people who are listening this video,
Hmm.
and just mask up your face
Yeah.
and just keep distancing, keep social distancing.
Yeah.
If you're going somewhere, if it is very necessary, then protect yourself with your PPE. If you have PPE, then wear PPE and mask up your face.
Yeah. Mask
That's
of
it.
India.
Yeah, mask up India.
Mask of India. It will protect from this situation. So be safe. Stay home. Stay safe. And see you later. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.